Hey everybody and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review and sound test of NuVending's NULED Flame Atmosphere speaker. This is actually really cool and I really like this a lot. It's a Bluetooth speaker that has a little tube in here and there's a bunch of LEDs in here and it looks like a flame when you turn it on, which is pretty cool. Play music, it's wireless, it's a flame light. Stereo sound, you can actually pair two of these together. They're water resistant and they have a magnetic base. And then there's some technical parameters on the back. So let's open this up. Take a look at what we're dealing with here. Take the foam off and then you've got a bunch of stuff in the box. I'll lift up the speaker real quick. You get a USB Type A to micro B to charge it. You get the NuVending catalog that you get with most of their products. You get a user manual, and that tells you pretty much everything about it. And you also get these. You get a magnetic base, and this screws into the bottom of it. It's a very strong magnet, actually, as it sticks to the metal bar under my table. Okay, and then you also get a mounting arm, so you can screw it into whatever you want to, and you can mount it on here. So I'm going to put all of this in the, give me that, put all of this stuff back in the box, and we'll move this off to the side real quick, and we'll take a look at the speaker itself. Take it out of the little plastic baggie. And here it is. You have a little rubber flap here to charge it. The tube in here is where all the LEDs are. See the speaker right there. You got your controls up top. You've got power, volume up and volume down. Now this is speaker volume. This is not going to change your phone or your tablet's volume. And then you have a play pause. And then this button right here is to turn on the fire. So I'm going to press that. It looks really cool in like dark areas. It's really great for mood lighting. And then on the back you've got, oh, this is, of all the places that I thought to find peeling porn, this is not it. And then you have your mount on the bottom for those other accessories, and this does actually use a standard tripod mount. So let me grab this junky tripod over here, and if I screw it in, you see I can stand it up on whatever. Now I actually have two of these here with me, so I'm going to open up the second one, and I'll show you how to do the stereo pairing. I'll show you what they sound like on their own, and then together, and then I'll compare it to some other speakers that have been sent my way from NuVending. Get everything you need to know in one video. What are the odds? Alright, so here's the second one. Got some more peeling porn here. Oh, love it. Even though it has a different label on it, this is a sticker versus this being painted on. They're pretty much exactly the same thing. So I'm going to pair one of them, and we'll start with sound quality for one of them first. I'm going to go to my Bluetooth settings, I'm going to turn it on, and then it starts pairing, and it's NULED, so I tap on it, and then if this shows up, you can allow or don't allow whether you want to or not. So now we're connected to the speaker. Let me grab... And then again at full volume, that was half volume in case you're not paying attention to the bottom corner over here. Again at full volume. And one thing I just want to point out real quick before I pair the other one and try that, there's about a 1 second delay between whatever you do on the phone and when it starts playing on the speaker. So if I hit play, so there is a little bit of a delay. It's not a speaker that you're going to be able to hit pause on and everything will fall dead silent instantly. And I'm going to show you how to pair them together so that way you have a stereo pair. Oh. And then after some time, they'll figure out that they're next to each other and they're trying to pair to each other. And they'll beep a couple times and now they're both solid. So I'm going to hit play again, and this is at half volume on my iPhone. And then full volume. So pairing two of them together does make a noticeable difference. So I've disconnected one of them. I have one still here connected to my phone, and I'm also going to start the comparison part where I compare it to the other two speakers that I have from NuVending. One of them is the NuBoom, and then the other is the NuTorch. I should probably flip it upside down so that way you guys can hear it. That might be smart. We're going to start with the NuTorch at half volume. I'm going to do all three of these at half volume. Not really super clear. I mean, it is a very, very small speaker, so let me grab a quarter for comparison. It is a very, very small speaker, and now we're going to switch to the NULED. And that was at half volume, and now I'm going to switch over to the NuBoom. So as far as sound quality goes from NuVending's own lineup, it is perfectly centered in the middle. This is, you know, supposed to be small and portable and also a light. Not the greatest clarity, not the greatest quality. The NuBoom is also super expensive, and it's got two tweeters and a woofer. Obviously going to sound better than a one driver setup here. So as far as clarity and quality go, it's 1, 2, 3, 3 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. These speakers are IP65 waterproof. They have 3600 milliamp hour batteries. Actually, can I kill the lights just to see what it's like? Let me do that real quick. So this is what they look like in the dark. I have every light in my studio off right now, and they are pretty bright. I mean, they're casting light to the other side of the room, which is good. Let me bring my lights back so I can finish this video. On Amazon, they are $42 a piece, which kind of seems pricey. They do have a listing for two of them at 80 bucks, so you save 4 bucks if you buy them together, which I didn't know was a thing until I just started shooting this video and I went to go find the prices. Interesting. I'll have the links for the single speaker and the 2-pack down below. And they also might make some good Christmas decorations if you having Christmas parties and you want to have a speaker. Again, I'll have them linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, because I definitely did. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think of these. And while you're down there, be sure to click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that way you get notified when my next video goes live. This has been Jake, Technology and Toys. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later. I'll enjoy my speakers. Goodbye.